Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you super useful trick how to get Perplexity Pro absolutely free for one whole year. This plan is worth around 17,000, but with this simple method you can claim it without spending a single rupee. This offer is only for Airtel user. But don't worry, if you are not an Airtel user, I will tell you the trick. Just ask any of your family member or friends who have an Airtel number. You can claim the offer through their Airtel Thanks app. Let me show you how you can do that. So let's get started step by step. First, take out your mobile phone and open the Airtel Thanks app. Scroll down a little and you will see a special offer card. It says free Perplexity Pro worth 17,000. Just tap on claim now. You will be redirected to the reward page. Again click on claim now. Here scroll down and you can read all the offer details if you want. After that, tap on proceed. Now you will be redirected to the official perplexity.ai website. Here you will get two login options. You can sign in with your email or your Apple ID. This step is very important. Always log in with the email that you regularly use because the same email will allow you to access Perplexity Pro on your PC or laptop later. Once you log in and verify your email, you will get couple of confirmation emails for security purpose. Don't worry, that's normal. That's it. Now your account has been upgraded to Perplexity Pro for one whole year absolutely free. With this Pro version, you will get access to advanced AI features like GPT-5, Gemini Pro and many more smart AI assistant and guides that will really boost your productivity. Now let's talk about how to use Perplexity Pro on your laptop and PC. Simply open any browser which you are using, go to the Perplexity website and log in with the same email that you used earlier on your phone. Once you are logged in, check the profile icon. If you see the Pro badge, that means your 1 year plan is active. And there you go. You are ready to enjoy all the premium feature of Perplexity Pro on both your phone and laptop without paying anything. And one more thing, if you also want to know how to get Gemini Pro absolutely free for 1 year worth 19,000, then check out the video link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing informative videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.